Hello friends, welcome to Current Affairs. Now we'll start with weekly current affairs from 19th April to 24th April. Let us start with a motivational quote. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. We'll proceed further with weekly quiz. Thrissur Puram festival is celebrated in which state? The answer is Kerala. Next question. Which state has inaugurated the online delivery website CGAT on 16th April? The answer is Chhattisgarh. When is World Hemophilia Day is celebrated? The answer is 17th April. The RBI has reduced reverse repo rate by how many basis point? The answer is 25 basis point. Next question. Which state's research institute has developed low-cost COVID-19 diagnostic Chitra Gene Lamp N? The answer is Kerala. Who is named as the ambassador of WWF India? The answer is Vishwanath Anand. Next question. According to International Monetary Fund, which continent is to grow at 0% in 2020 for first time in 60 years? The answer is Asia. Government has launched which application for hassle-free agriculture transportation? The answer is Krishi Rath. Recently, Union Home Ministry has made spitting in public without caring as a punishable offence under Disaster Management Act. Vinit Arora appointed as the MD and CEO of which general insurance company? The answer is Paytm General Insurance. Name the Indian state which provides free fruit to citizens via Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen (MMDK). The answer is Jharkhand. Next question. With which public sector bank the government telecom operator BSNL to launch Bharat InstaPay UPI based payment platform? The answer is State Bank of India. When is World Heritage Day is celebrated? The answer is 18th April. Next question. Which union territory or state has started Assess Corona app for surveys in hotspots? The answer is New Delhi. Which state has prohibited door-to-door delivery of newspaper and magazines? The answer is Maharashtra. Next question. Matterhorn mountain is located in which country? The answer is Switzerland. Next question. Which Indian two-wheeler company has acquired British company Norton? The answer is TVS. Which state government has decided to give rupees 10,000 per month to corona patient? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which country's crude oil price has reached below $0? The answer is USA. Recently, Section 115 BSE was in news. It is related to which act? The answer is Income Tax Act 1961. Next question. The Border Roads Organization constructed the Doporijo Bridge over which river in Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is Subansiri. Next question. What is the most effective social vaccines available to fight corona? The answer is lockdowns and social distancing. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new secretary to the President of India? The answer is Kapil Dev Tripathi. Next question. Which is the first corona-free Indian state? The answer is Goa. Next question. Which bank has launched voice banking services on Amazon Alexa Google Assistant? The answer is ICICI. Next question. Which country to host ICC Championship Trophy 2021? The answer is India. Next question. India has asked which country to repair parts of Kartarpur Sahib Gurudwara that was damaged in a storm? The answer is Pakistan. Recently, 9 people were killed in a landslide at an illegal gold mine in which country? The answer is Indonesia. Rare leatherback sea turtles have built the largest number of nests on which bridge? The answer is Bangkok. Which Indian film company has announced merger with Hollywood STX Entertainment? The answer is Eros. Which state became the first state to geotag community kitchens? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which state is the first to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19 in the country? The answer is Rajasthan. Which state is going to start odd even scheme? The answer is Kerala. Next question. Which state or union territory has recently flagged off a mobile medical unit for remote parts? The answer is Ladakh. Next question. Blue variety of grape is grown in which city? The answer is Bangalore. Which Indian ministry has formulated color code red, orange, green zones for lockdown 2? The answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question. World Liver Day is celebrated on 19th April. In which state flying car maker PLV of the Netherlands will set up a manufacturing plant? The answer is Gujarat. United Nations Chinese Language Day is celebrated every year on 20th April. Recently, Samir Goswami passed away. He was a famous journalist. Recently, Luc Montagnier claimed that the SARS-CoV-2 virus came from a lab in China. He won Nobel Prize for identification of AIDS virus. Name the first insurance company in India which has announced additional benefits for its policyholders and agents to support them during the COVID-19 pandemic. Tata AIA Life Insurance. Microsoft has launched the Learning Passport to address education crisis with which organization? The answer is UNICEF. WhatsApp partners with which organization to launch Together at Home sticker pack to boost COVID-19 messaging? WHO. The Tropical Butterfly Conservatory has been developed in which state to create awareness about butterfly and its importance in ecology? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Name the tech giant company which has acquired 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio for rupees 43,574 crore, largest FDI in telecom sector. The answer is Facebook. Name the country which is permanent guest invitee of G20 nations. The answer is Spain. Name the Indian state which has launched eSanjeevani OPD recently. The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Noel Quinn has been appointed as the CEO of which multinational bank? The answer is HSBC Bank. Which state has become the green zone after Goa? The answer is Manipur. What is the rank of India in the World Freedom Index? The answer is 142. Sujlam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan is stated by which state? The answer is Gujarat. When is Earth Day is celebrated? The answer is 22nd April. Which country has launched its first military satellite Noor? The answer is Iran. Which is the first Arab country to legalize marijuana cultivation? The answer is Lebanon. Which state has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana to benefit Anganwadi workers and assistants? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which institute has developed the Corona test Feluda? The answer is CSIR. Next question. Which Indian was appointed as the president of International Motorcycle Manufacturing Association? The answer is Rakesh Sharma. Food Corporation of India has allowed to convert which surplus food grain into ethanol? Rice. Next question. Which country scientists have discovered six-planet system? The answer is Switzerland. The team mask force was created by which country's cricket board? The answer is India. National Civil Services Day is observed every year on 21st April. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court? Mohammad Rafiq. So friends, we here complete our presentation. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it.